Hey guys, welcome back to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. So guys, first thing that you will do in order for you to create a Please Donate, go to the create over here at the top, and after that go ahead and go for the dashboard over here to make sure. And now here, go for the creations and go for the experiences, and you should be able to see here your place. So guys, if your place is on private, make sure to select the three dots over here and just make sure to make it public. So guys, as of now, mine is public, so it is on make private. And once you are done, you can just simply select it. And from here, just simply go to the left side over here and go to the monetization tab over here. And then go to the passes. And here on the passes, you just have to simply select create a pass. And after that, you could change the photo of the pass and you could provide a name. I'm gonna go for test 1, and you could provide a description, and after that you could just simply select create pass. And now from here you will have your pass over here. So as you can see, the current price is off sale, so in order for you to change that, just simply select it, and from here go for the sales over here on the left side. And after that, you will have this option item for sale. So turn this on and provide a default price. So let's say I'm going to go for 5 Robux, and you could enable the regional pricing as well if you like. And you could just simply select save changes and select proceed. And now, once you are done, you could just simply select this one on the top left. And you should be able to have your price over here. Now let's go back to the game by going to your profile and go for roblox.com and use the search bar over here and search for please donate. And now from here, let's just simply go to this world, please donate by Zam, and click on play. So guys, now once you are on the game, you will have an arrow pointing to a stand. So just simply go to the arrow. And as you can see, it is an empty stand over here. So just simply select this one by clicking and holding it. After that, you will have your pass over here that we just created. And that's simply about it. And if you want to edit it out, you could go to the left side over here and you will have edit boot. And from here, you could edit the boot text, the font, the color, and the others. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.